There are places that do not ask for attention. They simply wait in silence. In the rolling fields of Chvalkovic, the wind moves slowly across the land like a memory returning home. Far from crowded roads and restless cities, an old windmill stands quietly among the green waves of Moravia. For generations, these hills have lived with the rhythm of the seasons. Spring paints the fields in endless shades of green. Summer brings warm light over the valley, and the wind carries stories older than the roads themselves. Here time feels different, slower, softer, almost untouched. The landscape of Moravia is shaped not by noise, but by patience, by rain, sunlight, and the quiet work of nature. Every tree, every path, every distant hill becomes part of a peaceful harmony. And as the evening light settles over the countryside, the windmill remains where it has always been, watching over the fields, listening to the wind, reminding us how beautiful silence can be. The windmill of Chvalkovic has stood here for more than a century, watching over the quiet countryside of southern Moravia. Long before modern roads crossed these hills, the wind was already part of everyday life here. Farmers once brought grain from the surrounding fields, traveling slowly along dirt paths that disappeared into the valley. The turning sails of the mill were more than a machine. They were a sign of life, of harvest, of community. In those days, the countryside moved to a gentler rhythm. The sound of wooden wheels, distant church bells, and the wind brushing across the fields filled the silence of the landscape. Through changing seasons and changing generations, the windmill remained. It witnessed years of abundance and years of hardship. Wars passed beyond the horizon, borders changed, villages evolved. Yet these rolling fields kept their quiet character. Today the windmill no longer grinds grain for the valley below, but it still carries the spirit of the land. It stands as a memory of old Moravia, a place where nature and human life once moved together with the wind. And when the evening sun stretches long shadows across the green fields, it becomes easy to imagine the past still living here. Somewhere between the whisper of the trees and the endless horizon, the old windmill continues its silent conversation